Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can keyframe opacity in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a video in my timeline, and I'm going to be using this to modify its opacity, and let's just get right into it by going into the Edit tab first. Then we are going to want to select the video that we want to edit. In this case, it's this only one, and once I do that, let me just delete these empty tracks. They're bothering me a bit. Let me just expand this as well. Now what we're going to do is go over to the inspector. As you can see, you have the video options, and you have transform, you have composite, you have all of these options, and what we're going to do is click to collapse or to unravel composite. Now as you can see, the opacity slider is over here, but if I change this now, it's going to change it for the entirety of the video. But let's say, for example, if I go to the end of the video and I want to create a sort of fade to black effect, I'm going to go 2 seconds before the end, or roughly 2 seconds, and then I'm going to click this diamond shape next to the opacity to create a keyframe. Now at 14 seconds, it's going to start fading into black, but what we need to do first is go all the way to the end of the video, which is over here, and then we're going to just fade the video way to black by making the opacity 0. Now as you can see, if I go to the beginning of the video or to before 14 seconds, as you can see, once it crosses 14 seconds, it's just going to start fading to black. And that's pretty much how you keyframe opacity. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.